In this video, right now, well, in a couple seconds, but I'm gonna talk to you about what I believe is the #1 enemy in golf, keeping us from our full potential. Let's go. If you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm just here to help your game in hopefully a fun and creative way with not your typical drills. I don't like doing your typical just stuff. It's boring. It doesn't work. I try to do something that actually works and try to help you understand in a different way than your typical instructional video. All right? That's what I try. If you don't like it, then that's fine too. You can still subscribe. Appreciate it. All right. Okay, so what is the #1 enemy of golf? I know if you look at all my videos, it might be this video talking about our hands. Is that the #1 enemy in golf? Is that the #1 enemy? Your hands, right here, if you wanna watch that video. Could be, but I don't think it's #1, but it is important. Check that one out. Okay, so you may or may not agree with this, but it's true, no matter what. Well, not no matter what, but I think it's the #1 enemy in golf. It's not that. It's not your driver, okay? It's this. No, it's not your 4-iron either. You know, okay, enough suspense. It's the driving range. It's killing you. It's killing you. It is. It's not that you go to the driving range. It's what you do at the driving range that's killing you. See, typically, you go, and you start hitting balls. But to what? You aim at spots and you hit into a giant rectangle. Where in the game of golf does that ever happen other than the driving range? So here's what happens. You get to the range, you spend $10 on a bucket of balls, okay? And then you hit all your balls, you hit them all, and you go home. And you're like, yes, I hit it great. I hit them all into this giant rectangle. Now I'm ready to go play golf where there's trees, you gotta curve the ball, you gotta hit a high, you gotta hit a low, you have all these uneven lies you gotta hit off of. What on the range resembles any of that? So why do you keep doing it? Okay, hold on. See, here in a net, you could at least aim here. I can aim here. I could aim right here if I want to. Right there? I could aim there. I could aim here too. Right there. So here's how and why hitting into a net really helps you out. Because let's say I'm on the course and I have something in front of me. I need to know if my 4-iron can go over it or if it can go under it or whatever I need to do. And when I'm hitting into a net, I could see exactly from 15, 20 feet away from me how high my clubs go or how low I can hit them. It's really helpful when you're on the course and you have something in front of you that you either have to go over or under. But when you're just hitting out into space at a range, you just don't know because you don't see the ball until it's 100 feet away from you. You don't know how high it went. Right now, I know how high it went because it hits the net right there. A typical range, I would never know this information. How high does my 4-iron go with a normal shot? See that? It's just above halfway. So now I know when I'm on the course, if there's something in front of me, like a lip of a bunker, oh, can I get over that? Can I clear? No, I can't. Not with the 4-iron. I need a 7-iron. So especially when you're in those fairway bunkers or you have those stuff in front of you, above you, whatever, you know the starting point for each club. Now, at least in your net, you're working on trajectory and you're narrowing in on hitting something specific. Very similar to when you're on the golf course. Very similar. Can I clear that bush? I don't know. Let me see. Yes, I can. You can too. Okay, so in my videos, I work on a lot of drills to help you get better. When you're hitting a 4-iron, when you're chip shotting a 4-iron at the range, you definitely feel like you're losing money. You hit all those at the range, you just felt like you flushed $10 down the toilet. You're just chipping a 4-iron. However, that is such a great drill for you. Just chipping 4-irons. So do it here. See, it's not that you go to the range. It's what you do there that's getting you in trouble. If you're gonna just practice your drills in your net and stop killing your game. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. If you go to the range, first find a range that really takes pride in putting together a nice environment that resembles somewhat of a playing conditions. And then work on your drills there, okay? Look at my videos. I'll link one here too. This is a great drill. This is a great range drill right here. Check that one out, okay? So you can get better. I'm here for you. That's just my little rant on the range, because I want you to get better. I really want you to improve. You can go to the range, but if you do the drills I give you, because they're gonna help you out. They will. I'm here for you. Let me know. Hey, and send me links to, if you have a great range and it looks great, link it below, man. I wanna see it, okay? Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you like it, if you agree. If you disagree, hit the like button too. Just be a nice person, all right? Anyways, we'll see you next time. Peace.